This is the quick all you need to know review of Ninja Nutri blender. I have had this for a few years now, and I have to say I've never come across a personal blender that is this powerful. It comes with 2 blending cups with lids in different sizes. This is what the blender part looks like, and I have to say it doesn't look that strong, but it really is powerful. I put all these parts in the dishwasher, which makes it very easy to clean. Let me show you how it works. You simply turn the cup upside down, screw it onto the blender part, and then place it into the blender with a click. This blender has multiple features and a display with a timer. The only bad part with this blender is that it is quite loud. However, it does the work real quickly, so it is worth it. When you have secured the cup, you choose your time or your program. I tend to mostly use the regular start and stop and let it blend until what I want blended is perfectly blended. It also has a pulse feature, which is great for crushing ice, or if you have frozen berries that really needs to get crushed. As you can see, it is super powerful. It also has the feature Ultra Blend, which is another type of pulse, where it will pulse and blend in bursts. But I never had to blend for 1 minute with this blender. It is way faster. The last feature is called Blend and is a similar feature to the Ultra Blend. This blender has something called Auto IQ, which provide one-touch intelligence. I have tried to crush and blend everything in this blender, and it does it all. It really is more like a kitchen aid than a personal blender. I also really love that you can use the cups and carry them with you, and you can put them in your car or in the fridge at work. When you're done blending, you simply just remove the top part, and you can use one of the screw-on lids to keep everything fresh, and you can drink straight out of it. Like I said, I had this for a few years and I never had to replace any of the parts. I think Ninja makes really high quality blenders that are reliable and really powerful. You can definitely buy this with confidence.